Are you having trouble with your iPhone microphone? Whether it's not picking up sounds during calls or in app, I will help you fix it step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I will guide you through practical solutions to troubleshoot and resolve iPhone microphone issues. The first step is to test your microphone. Start by testing your microphone by opening the voice menu app and start a short message. Play it back to check if your microphone is capturing sounds properly. If it works, the problem may lie with a specific app. The next step is to check for obstructions. Dust and dirt can block the microphone. Inspect your microphone openings located near the charging ports and near the camera. Clean them gently using a soft dry brush or compressed air. Avoid using sharp objects. Another step is to restart your iPhone. Restarting can solve temporary glitches affecting the microphone. Next, check microphone permissions. Some apps may not have permission to access your microphone. Go to the Settings app, then go to Privacy and Security. Next, you locate microphone. Ensure the joggle is enabled for the app you want to use the microphone with. Next, you remove accessories. Remove any connected accessories like the headphone or Bluetooth devices. Disconnect all devices and test the microphone again. You should also update your iOS and reset all settings. Go to Settings, then General, then click on Reset and select Reset All Settings. This will not delete your data but reset system configuration. If none of these steps work, it might be a hardware issue. Visit an Apple store or authorized service center for further assistance. And that's how you fix microphone issues on your iPhone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video. Bye bye.